the red ones are signals,
Mm-hmm.
the black ones are the points. There's one at each end, so up on the diagram you've got the ones outside the box and the ones at the other end of the platform. So they're the black levers. And because we run passenger trains over them, they have to be locked. So you've got what we call an FPL, which, having moved the points, you then lock them in place with an FPL. And you can't get the signal off protecting the points unless you've got the FPL in. You still can't do it because we've got that one. So now you can get that off. So that's the colours. White ones are spares, they're not connected, and the brown ones are to do with locking the box when we leave, so that they can still run trains, but they don't have the flexibility of changing.
All right, is that for
parts
like
of trains.
the Pullman and at evenings?
Pullman in the evening, this box is switched out.
Mm-hmm.
So that's that bit.
Right.
Because